In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to configure SMS templates within the QuickBerry portal.
Now, let's move on to creating an SMS template. From the main menu, navigate to the Template section and click on Add Template. Select your sender ID, then choose the service type, whether service implicit, service explicit, or transactional. Next, enter your template name, template ID, and paste your approved message content. If your message includes variables, use placeholders in this format: 1, 2, and so on. Once all details are filled in, click Save.
To upload bulk SMS templates at once, you will need to prepare and upload an Excel file in the correct format. Your Excel sheet should contain the following columns in the exact order: sender ID, the 6-character sender name, template name, the name you want to assign to the template, DLT template ID, the approved DLT ID, template content, the message text or content, template type, transactional, promotional, service implicit, service explicit. Once all templates are added, save the Excel file. Click on Upload Document. Select and upload the Excel file you prepared. Once the document is successfully uploaded, all templates will be automatically uploaded in the system. You can review them under the main template section. After approval, your template will be ready to use in all your campaigns.